So over here, you can see that I have this space right here with two sections. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and duplicate a section. Let's say I want to duplicate out this section, that is the grid section right here. In order to do that, you can simply go around onto the grid section, click on the gear icon right here, and then choose duplicate. Once you do that, a copy is created, as you can see right here. You can do this as many times as you like. You can go ahead and duplicate it. So you can see that you can go ahead and change this around as you like right here. Just like this. You can go ahead and change around each of the section right here. So this is simply how you can go ahead and then duplicate out the section as you need. You can even go ahead and rename the section. So to do that, simply click on a section. So let's say, for example, instead of heading for management purpose, I want to go ahead and call it welcome section. So you can go ahead and type that in and change the section name as well. Apart from that, you can click on the gear icon right here, and then you can click on rename, and you can simply go ahead and change that out right here, just like this as well. So let's say I don't want the bottom two grid sections anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and name it to grid 2 and grid 3 accordingly. But let's say I don't want to delete out grid 2 and grid 3, but I just want to hide it so I can access it for future use. In that case, you can go around over here onto the section that you want to hide, and then click on the gear icon and then hide the section as well. So I'm going to go ahead and say hide for all, and you even have an option to hide the section only for only on desktop or mobile as well. So let's say there are certain things that you want to show on mobile or only desktop view, then you can do that as well. But let me just go ahead and hide for all right here, just like this. But you do need a pro version of account right here in order to be able to do that. So you can see that you can go ahead and show for all or hide for all. But once you do that, you do need to go ahead and have a premium account for it. Now, anyways, if you don't want the section, you can simply go ahead and delete it right there. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the duplicate, rename, and hide or show section options inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.